In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro in Google Meet. To get started, have your Miro board open and ready in a browser tab or the desktop app, and then join your Google Meet call. It helps to line up your workspace before you share. Center your board on the first area you plan to discuss, zoom to a comfortable viewing level, and close any unrelated windows so your audience sees only what matters. When you're ready to show your board, look to the bottom right corner of Google Meet and click Present Now. This is the control that broadcasts your screen to everyone in the meeting. You'll see a prompt asking what you want to share. You can share your entire screen, a specific window, or a single browser tab. Sharing a window is usually the best balance between focus and flexibility because it keeps attention on Miro while letting you switch within that window as needed. Select the window that contains your Miro board, then confirm. Your board is now visible to everyone in the call. As you present, navigate the board deliberately, zoom in to reveal details, zoom out to show context, and pan smoothly across frames to keep the story flowing. If you've organized your board into frames, treat them like slides. Move frame by frame to guide your audience through a clear sequence. To draw attention, hover your cursor near the point you're discussing, or use simple tools like shapes, arrows, or the pen to highlight key sections. Brief pauses after each movement give participants a moment to catch up and absorb what they're seeing. Think of your Miro board as an interactive slide deck. Speak to each section in order, explain what's on screen, and tell your audience where you're going next. Phrases like, "On the left you'll see our timeline," or "I'm zooming into the top right to show the workflow," keep everyone oriented. If the group is large, consider checking in briefly by asking if the current zoom level is clear, and keep your pace consistent so remote viewers don't feel rushed. When you're finished, return to Google Meet and click Stop Presenting. This ends the screen share and brings you back to the regular meeting view. Take a moment to confirm that sharing has ended, then wrap up any questions while your board remains open for reference. That's all it takes. With a little preparation and smooth navigation, Miro and Google Meet work together to deliver a clean, engaging presentation experience.